Yeah, so we officially got the ROG Alley in stores in my local Best Buy. Thank God, man. Like this is, I ain't gonna lie though. Like it's cool. Like the trigger buttons, I'm not a fan with these. I'm not a fan with that. But I'm a fan of the D-pad. I'm cool with that. These buttons right here, they too mushy. In my opinion, they too mushy. Yeah, this button is cool and these buttons are cool. Like it's all about your experience though. But I do like the presentation. I'm all about the presentation. I'm all about the expiration and everything like that. And yeah, like it can compete with the like my Razer Edge 5G. But thing is, you gotta keep it on Wi-Fi. I'm pretty sure the battery life is trash. Like I mean, the Razer Edge is trash too. But at least they giving you credit though. Giving you a Game Pass 3 months for free. I give you that, bro. Like Republic of Gamers, AMD Ryzen. That's what it's about though. Yeah, it's 1080p. It's like the Razer Edge, man. Like for real, it's definitely the Razer Edge competitor. I wouldn't say Steam, because Steam like on the Switch. Steam like 720p. Come on, man. Y'all laughing. Y'all laughing. I know, bro. It's what it is, bro. But I like the presentation. You gonna get goodies. You gonna get goodies with this. Like they got two prices. So they got one for $6.99, $58 a month, or you can get one for $3.49. Use the QR code. So I do like the presentation here at Best Buy. I don't know how many too many people use this or even try this, but yeah, man. TuPhones for free, giving you long exclusive, man. I'm putting this on my gaming channel too as well. So y'all follow me on Nintendo Switch for free. Switch to gaming for free. My bad, I Nintendo Switch for free. Switch to gaming for free. Yeah, we gonna see what this about though. The ROG Alley here. It's like I said, I like the D-pads. I like the colors and stuff like that. Like you can actually, rotate the demo. You can rotate it. It's mushy. I like it. I like the trigger buttons. I like the start pad like that. I'm not a fan of the analog, and I'm not a fan of these mushy AXB buttons. I'm not a fan of those. So that's my downside to it. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below.